I think you're going to need to have a tire on this rock, and I built up a little ramp coming down here for you. So, keep coming a little bit farther. A little bit farther. A little bit farther. Drive her a little bit. Okay. Drive her a little more. Alright, now come, keep coming. Hold that line. Very slowly, just like that. Very good. You're about to start coming down. Just keep that line. Good. 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 Just very slowly. Yeah.
Joe, you're in my angle.
Now you're on the rocks I built up. Keep coming. Hold that line. Yeah, the rocks are moving, but that's all right. Slowly. Okay. All right. Okay. Now keep coming. Okay. Now slow. Your back's going to come down off that rock, and you're probably going to get some bumper damage.
Drive her a little bit.
Yeah, drive her a little bit.
There we go.
All right. Ah, you cleared it. Okay.
This one's a
That
little
one you should be able to go right between, right? Yeah.
Bring it out a little bit. Bring it out. Yeah. Hug this rock. Okay, now.
Yeah, passenger. You got room over here.
You're gonna hit your bumper.
Hard passenger.
Hard. You got it. Got it.
Okay, clear.
Go right or left. Go, baby, go. Good job, Robert.